Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a common household staple with a long history of medicinal use. While it is best known as a leavening agent in baking and a cleaning powerhouse, its applications extend far beyond the kitchen. For centuries, various cultures have used baking soda to treat ailments ranging from digestive issues to skin conditions. In modern medicine, it continues to be a valuable remedy for neutralizing acidity, soothing irritation, and even managing certain medical conditions. Despite its many benefits, it is important to use baking soda with caution, as excessive consumption or misuse can lead to health complications. Understanding the historical and modern uses of baking soda, as well as its potential risks, allows for a balanced and informed approach to this natural remedy. Historical uses of baking soda in medicine. The medicinal use of baking soda dates back to ancient civilizations, where natural deposits of sodium bicarbonate were utilized for both health and hygiene. The ancient Egyptians reportedly used a naturally occurring form of sodium bicarbonate, called natron, for cleaning wounds and preserving bodies in the mummification process. Natron's alkalizing properties made it useful for reducing bacterial growth and neutralizing odors, a function still valued in modern applications. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, sodium bicarbonate became widely available in its purified form. It was commonly recommended as an antacid to treat indigestion and heartburn. Before the advent of commercial toothpaste, people used baking soda as a dental cleaner due to its mild abrasiveness and ability to neutralize mouth acidity, which helped prevent cavities and gum disease. During World War I, baking soda was even used as an emergency treatment for poison gas exposure, as its alkaline nature helped neutralize the effects of acidic toxins. Modern medicinal uses of baking soda today, baking soda remains an effective and accessible remedy for a wide range of health concerns. One of its most well-known uses is as a natural antacid. When mixed with water, baking soda creates a mild alkaline solution that can neutralize stomach acid, providing relief from conditions such as acid reflux, heartburn, and indigestion. However, while it offers quick relief, frequent use is not advisable, as it can disrupt the body's natural pH balance. Baking soda also plays a role in kidney health. Some medical professionals recommend sodium bicarbonate to help manage chronic kidney disease, as it can help reduce the acidity in the blood that builds up when kidney function declines. Research suggests that maintaining a proper acid-base balance in the body may slow the progression of kidney disease, though medical supervision is essential when using baking soda in this capacity. Beyond internal health, baking soda has topical applications that make it useful for soothing skin conditions. Its mild alkaline properties can provide relief from insect bites, poison ivy, and sunburn when mixed with water and applied as a paste. Some people use it as a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and reduce inflammation associated with acne. A baking soda soak in warm water is also a common home remedy for relieving the discomfort of yeast infections, rashes, and foot odor. Baking soda's antifungal and antibacterial properties contribute to its effectiveness in oral health. It is a key ingredient in many natural toothpaste formulations, helping to remove plaque and whiten teeth without the use of harsh chemicals. Some people use a baking soda and water rinse to freshen breath and neutralize acidity in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Additionally, baking soda has been studied for its potential role in athletic performance. Some athletes use sodium bicarbonate as a buffering agent to delay muscle fatigue during high-intensity exercise. By helping to neutralize lactic acid buildup in the muscles, it may enhance endurance and reduce post-workout soreness. However, this practice should be approached with caution, as excessive consumption can cause digestive distress. Warnings and precautions. Despite its many benefits, baking soda should not be overused or taken without understanding potential risks. One major concern is its high sodium content, which can contribute to high blood pressure and fluid retention, especially in individuals with hypertension, heart disease, or kidney issues. Regular ingestion of large amounts can lead to an electrolyte imbalance, causing symptoms such as muscle weakness, confusion, and irregular heartbeat. Another potential risk is metabolic alkalosis, a condition in which the body becomes too alkaline. This can occur when excessive amounts of baking soda are consumed over a short period, leading to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, hand tremors, and even breathing difficulties. To avoid these complications, internal use of baking soda should be limited and monitored, particularly for individuals on low-sodium diets or those with pre-existing health conditions. Baking soda should also be used cautiously in dental care. While its abrasiveness can help remove stains, excessive use may wear down tooth enamel over time. It is best to use it in moderation or as part of a commercial toothpaste formulated for safe daily use. Furthermore, while baking soda is commonly used to relieve acid reflux, long-term use can cause a rebound effect, where the stomach produces even more acid in response to repeated neutralization. For those with chronic acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, alternative treatments may be more effective in the long run. Baking soda is a remarkably versatile remedy with a long history of medicinal use. From treating indigestion and soothing skin irritation to supporting kidney health and oral hygiene, its benefits are well documented and widely recognized. However, like any natural remedy, it should be used with care and in moderation. While occasional use can provide quick relief for various ailments, excessive or prolonged intake can lead to serious health complications. By understanding its advantages and limitations, individuals can safely incorporate baking soda into their health and wellness routines while minimizing potential risks. Whether used internally or externally, baking soda remains one of the most accessible and effective natural remedies available today.